Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get macOS dock on Windows 11 or 10. That's a very easy method. You just come to Google, you search up My Dock Finder, and you'll be on this website. And if you don't have Steam, you can just get it from this website itself. Or if you do have Steam, right, what you need to do is just come here to Steam and just search up My Dock right here, My Dock Finder. Click on it. By the way, this is a paid tool. It does cost you about $5. So all you need to do right here, let me pause this video. You just come here, you add this to your cart, and you can begin using this and get a Mac OS feel, Mac OS dock on your Windows computer. And of course, you just change the background. It's really that easy. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor. I'll see you in the next one.